Let's continue with our bank simulation by taking a moment to think about probability. We know that when we roll dice, we should expect to see a 4 come up on one of the dice, approximately 1 out of every 6 times we roll. We say the probability of rolling a 4 is 1/6. To take a second example, suppose someone tells us that 10 out of every 100 pennies in circulation in the United States was minted in the year 2003. Then we should expect that 10 out of every 100 pennies we see will be from that year. And the chance that any particular penny will be from 2003 is 10 divided by 100, or 1/10. 1/10 is the chance that a particular penny will be from 2003. We can apply the same reasoning in the bank simulation. We've calculated that there are 3,600 seconds per hour. And we're told that in a typical hour, we should expect to see about 20 customers. That's 20 out of every 3,600 seconds. So the probability that a customer will arrive during any particular second is 20 divided by 3,600. We've calculated that here and assigned it an appropriate name. Arrival probability is the chance that a customer will arrive during any particular second. The main work for our simulation program is to define the bank class. Let's get started. We've already said that a bank will have a name keeping track of the number of seconds it's been open during the course of any one day. This starts at 0 and increases by 1 for each second of our simulation. We'll also have a name that will be a list of customers. These are customers online. Here's an example. We have customers A, B, and C. But we'll be using this list in a slightly unusual way, so let's take a moment to discuss it. Customer A is the first one online, and therefore A is the first one who will be called by the teller. But we will be leaving A on the list, called line, until after A has completed his or her transaction. So during the time that A is being helped by the teller, the number of people really waiting online is 2, not 3. We'll use this name to keep track of whether the first person online has been called or not. When serving customer is false, no customer is currently being served. It will be true when the first customer in the list called line is being helped by the teller. We'll need to be careful when we define our line length member function or method that we keep track of the actual number of customers who are online, since this will not necessarily be the same as the number of customers stored in the line list. We'll continue from here in the next part of this screencast.